MeghalayaPost.news
Voice of the People Party VPP kumkawai na kasangsan partai Nagajala Meghalaya kalami sakmat banai kajing Kyrshan kabapuraya jingïakhih kikhun Samla kari Jantar Mantar Delhi bat kapan paru baga parti kaniai Kyrshan bat dan rengkat bat kini ki Samla kari kibaya khun nak benta kalawai kikhun Samla kajala bat kari hi baro kawai habakran skila pathai khubor Dr. Air Peacewell Rani spokesperson ka VPP ulaong baga parti VPP ka ay kajing Kyrshan kabapuraya kini ki Samla kibadangïakhih Delhi banagalyang ka parti VPP tang baga Kyrshan ki Samla ki bayaki halor ka jinglait tu ko question paper jong ka need UG baki dawa ya shuki yo Union Education Minister Udhar Mantra Pradhan bat ka VPP ka Kyrshan ru ya ki Samla ki bayakun ban pendu jan ya ka jingbam sam ki kamle shilyang khamat ki kam ki bon ra jingïakhih hakari bat ki kam ki bapanjat ya kari da kita ki politician ulong ru baka VPP ka pynrem jore ki Pulit ka Delhi ki bala bom pathari ki Samla ki bayaki bandawai ka hok kumbalami hakilar pathai khubor babun ki Samla ki laman saw bat na halor ka jingle kuman ka sorkar kami hadali hagawai kebentang ladawaru baka sorkar Meghalaya lengba menteri rengba udai bankaran ayai halor kani ke jingïakhih ki Samla bakum ke parti ke kwa bantem ke ke jingsngau ke sorkar jela halor kani ke jingïakhih ki Samla ki padawaya ka hong bat ki bayakhun nak na kebenta kalawai ki khun Samla shushu hagawai kebenta ula pynrem jurru ya waina udukhat ke BJP ubala keno keren sungshit ban phasiat ki Samla ki bayakhi hadalhi banakalyang ka VPP ka yang scam bandan rengkat bat kita ki Samla bat ka kwa ru baka sorkar Meghalaya kadai bankaran halor kani ke jingïakhih namar kani ke jingïakhih ki Samla kamdai ka bakta tangi ki wei ki Samla jong kari barkakta ru wat iki khun Samla jong kajala.
The ongoing protests in Delhi, the protest which is related to the alleged irregularities in the NEET UG examinations, the Voice of the People Party, a political party from the state of Meghalaya in Northeast India, expresses its solidarity with all the protesters who have come from across the country, some of them students, some of them professionals and other walks of life. We stand with them for the issue that they stand for, and we extend our wholehearted support to the ongoing protests. To the VPP, this protest is not confined only to the alleged irregularities in the NEET examinations, but it's all about protecting the public institutions from corruption, nepotism and undue political interference, and also safeguarding the interests and future of millions of our youth across the country. So we stand with you and we extend our support morally and otherwise. Secondly, we have seen from the media reports regarding the mishandling of the police authorities to the protesters. We have seen that they have been brutally lathi charged, they have been injured, tear gas have been thrown at them, some of them being hospitalized. So we stand with you and we wish for your speedy recovery. We believe that peaceful dissent, constitutional demonstration with genuine issues such as this must be met with dialogue, not force. In the state of Meghalaya, the VPP is also raising same kind of concerns where we want to insulate all important institutions that provide public service from political interference. So we are very happy that the stand that the issues that we are raising in the state is also resonating with the current protests in Delhi. Lastly, the VPP would like to question the government of Meghalaya, particularly the Chief Minister of the state. We want to know what is the stand of the government on this particular issue. At a time when the youth are protesting in the national capital, some of them even from Meghalaya also have gone, when they are facing police action and atrocities, we expect the Chief Minister and the state government to speak up. But on the contrary, the state government has chosen to remain silent. Does it mean that the government of Meghalaya does not care about the youth and their future? Does it mean that government of Meghalaya does not pay any concern regarding the alleged irregularities? Or does it mean that the government of Meghalaya has merely become a puppet in the hands of the central government? These are the questions that deserve answers. These are the issues that are affecting the youth of Meghalaya no less than those in the rest of the country. So therefore, the people of Meghalaya deserves to know the stand of the Meghalaya government on this particular issue. And I would like to remind you that in the past few days we have seen from media reports that one of the coalition partners in the MDA government has gone to the extent of saying that the protesters must be shot. We don't know whether the statement is true or right or wrong, but if it is true, it partly reflects the attitude of the government. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news